All right.
What can we do for you? You're on the Law Show.
Okay. My husband and I filed Chapter 7. We've actually just retained the attorney. We were told to call all of our creditors, let them know, give them the name of the attorney and the phone number. I did that with all of them back in February, and we got a summons yesterday from one of them. Someone came to our door. So I'm going to call Monday morning first thing to this attorney that's on the piece of paper and tell them this. But what can I expect them to tell me? Why have they done this? Because I was told that's it. Once you give them a name and a number, they can't pursue anymore.
Hey, Jane, I've got a question for you before Justin rings in on this. But do you know for a fact that your petition for Chapter 7 has already been filed with the federal court?
Not filed. We've retained services. We've paid 50%, and then we were waiting on some other things to become finalized before we actually paid the full amount.
Jane, Justin can tell you exactly why this is going on.
Yeah, Jane, what's happened is that you haven't filed your bankruptcy petition, so all your creditors are still free to sue you, they're still free to collect their judgments, and they're still free to add interest to everything that you're doing. Until that bankruptcy petition's filed, they're gonna keep suing you. They can get a judgment, which they're gonna do if you don't answer that complaint, and then they can go after your bank accounts. So until that thing's filed, you have no protection.
Really? I thought once we gave them the name and number and told them that we were filing Chapter 7, there was a cease and desist, and they couldn't call us anymore or anything.
You only get the benefit of the automatic stay. It's not a cease and desist. It's called the automatic stay. You only get the benefit of that once you file that petition. So right now you're held up. Unless you can get that petition filed this week, you're going to still be getting pursued by these people.
Right.
Now you've got a little bit more work to do because you got to keep track of those summons and complaints that you're going to be receiving. So call your attorney, get this straight with him, get him paid up, and get him to file the petition. If you have any trouble with that at all whatsoever, call Justin for a free initial consultation, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 866-66-LAWYER. That's 866-66-LAWYER.